making it all better. Bon and meilleur versus bien and mieux. Adjectives versus adverbs in French. Both meilleur and mieux mean better. So when do I use one or the other? Like bon, meilleur is an adjective. Like bien, mieux is an adverb. Still don't get it? That's okay. Let me explain the difference between an adjective and an adverb. Adjectives describe nouns. Psst. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Whereas adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Psst. A verb is an action or state of being. He works, she jumps, he is here. Let's compare adjectives and adverbs in a sentence, both in English and in French. Are you ready? Good means bon. Remember, in French, adjectives have to agree with the noun they describe. So the word for good can be bon, bonne, bon, or bonne, depending on if the noun is masculine, feminine, singular, and or plural. Well means bien. Remember, bien is an adverb. It describes verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs, which do not have gender nor plurality, so it never changes. Better can be either meilleur or mieux, depending on whether it's being used as an adjective or an adverb. Remember, like bon, meilleur is an adjective and must agree with the noun it describes, so you may see it with an extra e, s, or es, depending on if the noun is masculine, feminine, singular, or plural. For example, this apple is good. Cette pomme est bonne. But this apple is better. Mais cette pomme est meilleure. Bonne and meilleur are adjectives because they describe the apple, a noun. On the other hand, you dance well. Tu danses bien. But she dances better. Mais elle danse mieux. Bien and mieux are adverbs because they describe dancing, a verb. Are you ready to try some on your own? I'll help you. Give this sentence a try. Your pizza is... In English, would you say that the pizza is good or well? Pizza is a noun, a thing. To describe it, you need an adjective. So you would say, your pizza is good. In French, good translates to bon. Your pizza is good. Ta pizza est bonne. Bon becomes bonne when the noun is feminine. Now let's use better in the sentence. Your pizza is good. Ta pizza est bonne. But my pizza's better. Mais ma pizza est meilleure or mieux. Because we're describing pizza, which is a noun, we have to use meilleur. Your pizza is good. Ta pizza est bonne. But my pizza is better. Mais ma pizza est meilleure. Because pizza is a feminine noun, we have to add an e to meilleur. Let's look at adverbs now. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Adverbs tell us how something was done, more or less. Here is an example. Mary swims quickly. How does Mary swim? Quickly. Quickly is an adverb because it tells us how Mary swims. Quickly describes the verb swims. As opposed to, she is a quick swimmer. In this case, quick is an adjective because it describes the noun swimmer. Give this sentence a try. Mary swims In English, would you say that she swims good or well? Swims is a verb, action. To describe how she swims, you need an adverb, so you would say she swims well. In French, well translates to bien. Mary swims well. Marie nage bien. Now let's use better in the sentence. Mary swims well. Marie nage bien. But Tom swims better. Mais Tom nage meilleur or mieux. Because we're describing how Tom swims, we need the adverb mieux. Mary swims well. Marie nage bien. But Tom swims better. Mais Tom nage mieux. Time to try some on your own. Are you ready? Let's check that you understand the difference between an adverb and an adjective in English first. My mother cooks good or well. Well. We need an adverb to describe the verb cooks. Let's try another one. This cafe is good or well. Here we need an adjective to describe the noun café. So the answer is good. Let's try it in French now. Elle chante ban or bien. Bien. We need an adverb to describe the verb chante, which means sings. She sings well. How about this one? Le film est bon or bien. Bon. We need an adjective to describe the noun film, which means movie. The movie is good. Now, let's take a look at better. Mon livre est meilleur or mieux. Meilleur. We need an adjective to describe the noun livre, which means book. My book is better. Almost finished. Ils écoutent meilleur or mieux. Mieux. Here we need an adverb to describe the verb écoute, which means listen. They listen better. You did it! Hooray! Thank you. Merci. Until next time, à la prochaine. From Madame Brown in Canberra, Australia.